The sun is setting over Abuja, capital of Nigeria. It is almost time to break the Ramadan fast for many Muslims. And Cardinal John Onaiken is here not to lead Mass, but to share iftar meals. The former Archbishop of Abuja, alongside the Imam of the Al-Habibiyya Mosque, has come to distribute food to more than 2,000 worshippers.
We try our best to spread this whole attitude of openness, because we believe that God does not want his children to be killing one another. Yes. He wants us to live in peace. So whatever we can do to promote peace, we should do.
Nigeria is home to over 200 million people. With COVID-19 affecting incomes and jobs, this year's Ramadan is challenging for many faithful. Conflict in the north and northeast has also made life worse for millions of Muslims in the country.
People see that the food we are eating was given to us by a Christian clergy, cardinal that everybody knows is not underground clergy person. It shows that we can actually live together, we can be friends together, and we can live in peace.
Peace that has been tested by religious tensions in the country over the years.
We must encourage this religious harmony. Today we are here to break fast. I understand even here to break fast, many Christians come to join every day. They come to join in our brothers Muslims to break this fast. So let it be that significance, and our prayer is that God will use this and continue to answer our prayers so that there will be peace in Nigeria and peace all over the world.
The country has been hit by kidnappings in recent weeks.